Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best video quality for Netflix. Now, to get this, the first thing that you need to know is that you need to have the correct subscription that allows you to get that. And you need to actually have a paid subscription as well. Now, once you have that, you want to go to Netflix and ensure that you hover over your account on the upper right hand side and go to the Netflix profile. Now, within the Netflix profile, guys, just simple select a profile. I'm going to select the current one here as an example. Scroll down and you will find playback settings. So once you click on playback settings, you will see the data usage per screen. And this is going to show you a few options: auto, low, medium, and you want to select high. So once you select high, this is going to give you the best audio and video quality, and this is going to allow you to get the best quality for video output on Netflix. And just go ahead and click and save, and that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.